So good games on Hack the Box. Let's see what we got here. So we'll start off with the Ruscat here. Lied to me. Liars go to HE double hockey sticks. That's no good. It lied. Lied like a rug. Give it a second. David, I'm pretty sure that's you that's been doing all the other carrot things. I'm pretty sure it's you. Whenever you're in the room, it always seems to happen. You're not really Batmaning it. Like, I'm not saying I'm the Flash, but you've never seen myself and the Flash in the same room. So. But I see you in the same room all the time whenever that happens. Alright, let's see what we got here. So we got ourselves a little weird page here. It is Flash, just like I said. Okay, Flash 2.02. He says it's not him. Okay. Smell magic in the air. Or maybe barbecue. Alright, what we got here? We got a store. We got a little login thing up top. Let's go ahead and sign up. Or we can sign up and it actually works. That's always the best. Test.test.com. Test. Test 1, 2, 3, 4. Test 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright. Login successful. Good. And that's it. We're done. We logged in. It's obviously vulnerable. Can I take it there? No. Is the login? We got GoodGames.htb down here. Let's go and change our. Shouldn't matter. Port 53 is not up, but we're still going to give it a quick change. Okay, because it is Linux. So it is like that. See if anything changes. Okay, doesn't seem to care. That's going to send you an email. Oh man, big sneeze like right there, big sneeze. All right. I wonder if the login page or something within here could be. Let's go ahead and just let's go ahead and go to login. How about that? Is there like a slash login that we can go to? Try to make my life a little bit easier? No, there's not. You got me on that one. Okay. Now I just need to figure out if there's any way to. Okay, so we do have a log. Yeah, just say login, like right there. So login is actually a page. I can get anything back with that. He just called me an asshole. Okay. All right, let's try to attack the login page. So we saw a slash login up top. Whenever we log in, right? So if we log out, I'll show you guys one more time. So if we look up top here, right? I thought I saw a login before. So we get that slash login, right? Let's go and grab that. And we're just going to tell SQL map to send a SQL map. And we're just going to tell it to send a post request to it for the email and password. Now we actually have this over here too. So we can also try that too. Okay, let's go ahead and send an email to it on username and password, I believe it was. Let's go ahead and make sure that's actually the username, the actual fields of it. Email, name email, okay. And then password. Okay, so email password. So to be able to do that, we're just going to do a quick stack method. We're going to post to it, right? And we're going to post to that email and password, right? Something like that, right? Let's try SQL map with that. It also said SSTI, so that might be something too. You can always try that password reset thing too, or whatever that was, that password update thing. Okay, so it doesn't look like it like that very much now, does it? Alright. Method post data. Then we get the email, and then the password. Oh, if I spelled password correctly, maybe. Let's try that again. Oh, JP, the feeling's just going to get worse. I promise. But you're going to be so far into it that you're not going to want to stop. You're just going to be like, oh, what's next? Oh, what's next? But I promise you, cybersecurity is the only job field where the more you learn, the dumber you are. You just realize how much you suck with the more you learn. It's pretty funny. So do not give up ever. As long as you just stick with it, you'll continue to learn more and more and more. And then that's like when you realize that you know nothing. It's hilarious. But when you realize that you know nothing, you'll start to learn those things. Awesome. Congratulations. Good start. Good start. But yeah, like remember you realize that, you don't know that much, like you'll start to learn those things that you don't know, and then it'll just continue and continue and continue. You can ask any of the guys in here. They're all going to tell you the same thing. Like, okay, so email is vulnerable. Pretty much the more that you learn, what was that? It was MySQL, I believe. I saw it. Yep. Yeah, it is tough. Just keep looking. You'll get something. Yeah, DZ, I'll say for cybersecurity that the more you learn about it, the dumber you get. Well, you don't get dumb, but it's just tough. Like you're gonna feel dumber. You're getting smarter, but you're just gonna feel like you have no idea what the hell's going on. There you go. Companies get their tax breaks. All right. Found two databases. So the first one's mostly going to be information schema. So we don't really care too much about that one, right? Yep. Yes, entertainment. Figure out which one you like, JP. Like, I like hacking Windows and learn everything about that. And then DZ64 tells me that hacking Windows is easy. And I'm just a pogue. Just realized that Twitch pogue means something else. Alright, so we got main, right? So let's go ahead and look at main. So attack D main, attack tables. I don't really feel like just dumping everything at once, especially if it's time based. So let's go ahead and dump a table that we would actually want to dump. Well, that's good. Ooh, this is going to take a minute. Blog. Blog again. JP, download Metasploitable and start messing with that. Metasploitable 2. Blog. Common? Oh, comments? I know. Trust me, I know. That's because we all suck. That's why. You user? That would be a good one to get into. User or users? User. Okay, cool. So let's go ahead and get its user. Let's go ahead and dump that one. Oh, you can learn shit from that, but yeah, I can do it. Let me see here. I think I can. I don't know how to do this. You know what? Maybe I can actually. Wait. Oh, maybe if I actually get my own Twitch, then I could do it. Discord? No, I think I got it under socials. There you go. There's Discord link right there. Well, it's retrieving password, so that's good. It's going to take a while, but we retrieved it at least. I also don't have too much more time. Admin? All right, we're getting somewhere. We're getting an email. We are getting somewhere. It's exciting stuff. Admin at GoodGames? Manually do it. Jeez. DZ. We're going to be here for days if I manually do it. DZ, if you have the thing to put in, I will 100% put it into the email area. Try Hackme's coming out with a whole bunch of stuff, JP, for Blue Team. I know that much. They've been really hitting it up a lot. Blue Team stuff. But for Blue Team, I don't know really many. I don't know of that many. Oh, looks like we're getting a hash. Oh man, some exciting stuff. Whoa, we got to a 3. I start making bets. Yes, DZ, I would. If you could just send me the root flag and the user flag, and I'll put it, and then we'll be done with the box. Oh, it's right there. Good games. Good games on Hack the Box. Or if you could just Google the root user flag and send it to me, that'd be great. Then we could just put it in and be like, we did it. And people are like, you didn't actually do it. I'd be like, no, it's teamwork. He's gotta, we did it. Teamwork makes the dream work. Um, well, Jay, a long time ago, I was on a field op and we saw this weird port, so we started looking into it, and we got into the opposing forces. It was obviously just the op, so it's all fake. But we got into their stuff, and we ended up breaking down their IP addresses, figuring out what their server was, stuff like that, and got into their server because they're using default credentials. Pulled a whole bunch of things out of there, and were able to listen to their radios and stop them from talking and shut down their servers and all this other stuff. And that kind of what started all this. All right, thank God. We have a hash for admin at goodgames.hgb. All right, super administrator. Okay, cool. So admin at goodgames.hgb, we have super administrator. Let's go log in as him. Super administrator. All right. We have a settings here now. Internal administration. Okay. Let's go ahead and grab that like right there. Throw that in my Etsy host. And now we got our Flask. Okay, so most likely SSTI now? Or should we just stick with everything else we've done so far? Um, let's try our admin super administrator first. I think I might have spelled that wrong. No, I did not. Of course I did. I spelled something wrong here, right? All right. Project stand up. You better decide a task. Awesome new project. Financial plans. Hey, what's up? All set up for the presentation. We need to improve the landing page. Current users admin. It's going to go to my profile. See if we can change the profile picture. Doesn't look like we can. Like right there. We are on Flask Vault. Is that a thing? Okay. Phone number, we put it like right here. Transactions, another thing for search orders, and then search up here. Dashboard, new task, upload files. Nope, just kidding. Add widget, add user, preview security, upgrade to pro. Okay, so none of those actually work. Message, yeah, that does not work. See tasks, that doesn't work. See all. Okay, so none of that works. Look right there. All right. Volt overview. You got anything? All right, so we got the search, and that's on every single page, right? Now we just gotta start messing with everything on here. I'm thinking we go into settings first and start trying our stuff here. We know it's running Flash, so let's try that first. Okay, so we got 7x7 with that. Let's go ahead and check out. Oh yeah, I gotta put it all the same exact thing, huh? Messed that up. That's okay. That's okay. Jesus Christ. Okay, so it is STI. Thank you, DZ. I saw. All right, so we got 49. What in the hell? What is this? All right, cool. So we know it's vulnerable to SSTI, right? Now we just have to get a reverse shell through SSTI, right? Which is always a great time. We all know this. Let's go ahead and try to see if we could, that's for Java. What are we running here? This guy. Flask. Python. Okay. Is there a surefire one that just like works with all of them? Because if so, that would be freaking sweet. But I'm pretty sure I usually use the Django one. And if we're using Python, Tornado Python. Yeah, Jinja. This is usually the one that I use like right here, right? Okay, let's go try this like right here. See if we can get ID back. Okay, we do. And we're root. Oh, wow. Let's go. So does that one work for like pretty much all of them? DZ, now you're just trying to act like I'm a dumbass. Replace the IP here. I would never guess that. So you pretty much you did this one like right here, huh? Instead of ID, you just did everything else, huh? RCE not dependent from built-ins. Let's make sure it actually works first with ID. Yeah, replace IP here. Huh. That's why none of my shell.phps ever work. Scripts. Let's go ahead and grab a bash reverse shell here. Am I got to do I have to call for it? Yeah, bash xe. Okay. So let's go ahead and instead of ID, let's go ahead and do a bash taxi. Uh, you could just literally type in bash reverse shell. You could just type that in. I'll be like, oh, okay. Okay, let's go and grab that, like right there. Well, Marine is capitalized, so the M. So you already messed up. All right, 9999. All right, and we are root. It says right. Okay, but we're in Docker, aren't we? Do we have a .docker in here? Backups. Do we have two IP addresses in here? Okay, so we're definitely in Docker because of our IP address. We see that. That's because the whole thing's capitalized. That's why. All right. So, or which Python, right? Let's go ahead. We'll just do a bash reverse shell then. Since it wants to be some weird location. Okay. Okay. Augustus. Yes, yes. We'll get that user.text for now, at least. Go and throw that in here. All right, now we gotta get out of this. I'll say that's not too easy for that flag, like right there. All right. Now we have to figure out how the hell to get out of this Docker, right? So that's gonna be our next problem, right? All right. So we're .2, which means that .1 is most likely the main IP address, right? So now, do we know Augustus's password, or do we have, again, password reuse with super administrator? And can we SSH Augustus at 172.6.19.0.1 and then do super administrator? Okay, we can. All right, that was easy day. And we're back in the actual machine itself. Cool. Okay. Then we know his password, so, oh, maybe not. Okay. What is he? Damn. We got into the main machine, but hey, thanks a lot. Thanks. I just figured let's try the easiest thing first. And maybe it'll be like another one of those like emergency ones where you just become root. No, not that easy. Grab capabilities. Got anything in here? Okay. What the? What? Okay. Anything in Etsy that's writable? No. Okay. Okay, it's just the Gus is still. Okay. Alright, let's go ahead and Sudo wasn't on here. We'll say that Sudo wasn't on here, right? Okay. Who am I? That's a good command. I definitely spelled that one wrong. How do you look at mounts? LS mount? There's usually a mount. Just mount? Find mount? Mount LS? Mount tech L? Okay, that did something. Anyone else find it weird that I can see his home directory? Okay, nothing in there. Whoops, change mode. I didn't make it executable, did I? No, it is executable. So I feel like I should be able to do a bash tag P, right? Change ownership. No, it's already Should just be bash tac p, right? That is true. Okay, that's a good point. That's okay. I got another idea. That's okay. That's what it is. Let's try user bin bash. It should just be. That's, should be like that, right? Change owner. It should already be root though, but might as well try it. Okay, let's go ahead and. Okay. The fuck? Let's just file directory. Bash arrow all those shared libraries. I don't care. What if I don't care that it doesn't do that? Huh. Is there anything else we can start from the top? Because there's going to be a lot of things that are actually. That's just a file. Okay, let's copy dash in here then. There. A little bit weird. A little bit of a weird way, but we did it. A little bit weird how we had to do it. We're just gonna go a different route. There's always another way. That one wasn't too hard. The prefix right there. That wasn't too bad. But now what I would like to see is could we just it's an ID, not a name. Okay. All right. Oh, Chad B, what's up, man? How you doing? That's actually ended it for me. That's actually it for tonight. It's time to go lay it down.